centenaries that lie ahead in the glorious future of this nation. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद. सुश्री सुष्मिता देव, 3 minutes.
Dhanyavad, sir. I think the shortest way to show our allegiance to the Constitution is our oath of allegiance, and we need not sit furthermore. But few points as a participant in this important debate is what we all must accept, that a Constitution was a document of consensus which emanated from fearless and fierce debates. Different people, sir, had different opinions inside the assembly and outside the assembly, and yet what we got is a constitution which we all accept today. A stark contrast to what is happening inside parliament and outside parliament. So we've all spoken about Dr. Ambedkar, and I think with Dr. Ambedkar in our hearts, we must remember his undelivered speech but published, Annihilation of Castes. He was the champion of removing inequalities, and therefore I speak about right to equality in this country, which is not an idea, but it is a right that every government must guarantee. So let's look at economic inequalities. Today in India, 1% of the country is controlling about 40% of the wealth. Is that the kind of equality that our forefathers wanted? Sir, today corporate loans are waived, but farmers are struggling and reeling under the burden of loans. Sir, today the middle class is the worst impacted by the tax burden, but we see that the taxation on corporates keep reducing because of the policies of this government. Sir, highly qualified students don't compete for jobs. Today they have to compete in stampedes. Now, let us come to the two most destructive policies of this government, which destroyed the informal economy, which is the note ban and the unplanned lockdown. The haves and have-nots, there was a stark difference between them. Sir, social inequality. इतने लोग भाषण में बोले सर, एक सांसद बीजेपी का मणिपुर पे नहीं बोला सर, एक सांसद नहीं बोला. Today I say, sir, while we debate on the Constitution, today I say, debating on the Constitution, which constitutional right have you not suspended in Manipur? Liberty, expression, speech, everything has been suspended in Manipur. I stand here as a member of parliament representing the Northeast, demanding the resignation of every MP from Northeast and every minister who's thumping their desk behind the leader of the house. Sir, today, while the Constituent Assembly debates were going on, we citizens were to have equal rights. In Assam, the BJP is creating different classes of citizens with different rights. NRC has become no respite for citizens. There is no equality in the way the NRC has been conducted. With these few words, sir, I end my speech saying that this is a government which wants one election, one leader, one religion, because this is not what Ambedkar wanted for this country. This is a fascist government that is at play.
धन्यवाद. Dr. John Bitas.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.